Son of the sheep. Son of the horse. Son of the dog. Son of the pig. Son of the cat. Son of the son of a duck. Son of the buzz. Ay, bee.
So, ibalhin na ito siya, ha? Pero natong pa,
Cow. Son of the cow.
imbestigahan pa rin.
No. Yes!